I want to show you guys a simple paid traffic plan. USA, do you need a capture page system? Try Newbies on Fire. Right, you get all these amazing capture pages where you can start collecting information, and when you get Newbies on Fire, you can actually earn 100% commission.
Congratulations and welcome.
Either product package you start at. All tools are included in the starter package. So let's go ahead and dive right into this. So can you make money online? I can show you step by step. Here's $145 I earned. It cost me less than $20 to get started, right? You will earn $50 every time you refer someone to invest $20. Let me repeat that one more time. You refer someone to invest $20, you will earn $50 every time. It is really that simple. The first offer is LifeLock. What this is it provides you ID protection services, including credit card and credit score monitoring. This right here. And Sirius XM costs $9.22 and provides you music on the go outside of the car. So pretty much you're earning $50 by helping somebody, one, get some music, and two, protect their identity online. Follow my step-by-step sign-up instructions to move forward and get access to my $100 to $500 daily blueprint, right? You're going to follow these step-by-step instructions. You're going to create your Lavelle Rewards account, complete the LifeLock offer, complete the Sirius XM offer, message me for your website copy, and message me for your one-on-one training, right? Once you refer one person that follows these steps, how you're going to be buying paid traffic now, there's a site called Udemy. You can go straight to udemy.com to get started. You log in, create an account, and you'll be linked with verified sellers with top quality traffic filter, right? And you'll have custom tools to make sure you build your list the right way. Now, if you don't know how to build a list, that's what Newbies on Fire is for. You know, this is an all-in-one business software solution. You'll get a product you can sell. So now when you send $50,
congratulations and welcome.
When you send $50 worth of traffic to Newbies on Fire, you know, you're gonna send the traffic to one of these pages. Now it's gonna collect all your contact information here. Now you can broadcast, right, and reach your leads. And what you reach your leads with is right, a simple method to generate free paid traffic. Now we want to take this live link right here, and we'll actually include that here. Now if you're watching this video, the link to register for the free for the Lavelle Rewards, where, you know, someone spends $20, you know, you spend $20 to buy somebody LifeLock or Sirius XM, you earn $50, which is, you know, $30 towards traffic, $20 to get $30 more worth of traffic. It's simple, guys. And then you come into this system right here. Now what you're gonna do is make sure your links are in, right? Check all and send mail. Now the other thing you can do is use this system, you know, to follow up with your Newbies on Fire system, and, you know, sell these products: $25,
congratulations, and
$250 and $500 commissions. And what you actually want to do is be sending traffic to your Newbies on Fire page, right? And you may get a sale on the first visit by some of the traffic you bought to go to your website. Someone might buy the starter package from you, or the basic package, or the advanced package, or the elite package. You can only receive commissions with Newbies on Fire on the level you're active at. So right now I'm not qualified to receive $500 commissions. So I would lose the money if someone bought the elite package. So keep that in mind, you know, when getting started with Newbies on Fire. If you choose Newbies on Fire to provide you your marketing suite where you could collect all your data from the people visiting your business opportunity. It tracks everything, your merchant, your commissions. You even get a blog, right? You get a blog. Now let's recap on what you do after you get started. After you get started, you'll get a website link. You'll come over to Facebook, see who wants free paid traffic, right? Someone might comment to get started. Now you can offer a rebate on it. You don't have to offer $20 rebate, but you could offer a $20 rebate, right? Or you could you know, invest your money for the person to move forward, and you make $50 and they receive the ability to earn $50 every time someone refers someone to start with 20. I don't recommend, you know, rebating or you know, paying someone's way in unless you really need to, because Lavelle Rewards actually comes with a free way to get started. You know, $20 is really, you're just helping someone off to a fast start. They could turn around and earn $50 back today. You know, if someone has $40 to get started, right, they could invest 20 to unlock this opportunity to earn $50, then invest their other 20 to make their money back. And, you know, they would have profited $10 at that point. Right, guys, this is easy money. It's as simple as showing somewhere where to buy ID protection online, which everyone's scared of scams, so that should be easy. And, you know, listen to music while you're outside the car, maybe while you're marketing, maybe while you're outside during the cookout season, right? This stuff is easy, guys. Once you earn the $50, you cash it out, you buy traffic, send it to your Newbies on Fire system, and collect your money, wash, rinse, and repeat. Now, if you guys want some of my bonuses just for watching this video, right, email fast10kinfo@gmail.com and you'll receive an email, right, where I give you a free lead system if you're not moving forward with Newbies on Fire, and I show you how to you know, I showed you how to cover the cost of this system because it comes with a 14-day free trial, the free lead system, if you don't want to get the Newbies on Fire. And when you make the $50, you can use that to pay for your free system, and you could, with your free system, you'll actually be building yourself a residual income because it's $50 a month, but you get a free 14-day trial, right? 14-day trial. That's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. What's up, Cole? I'll see you guys on the next video.